Chevrolet Tahoe, severe engine misfiring. Do you know what is the cause of engine misfiring?
Again?
Number 4 cylinder engine valve is not opening.
Yes.
The reason was AFM or active fuel management malfunction. In this case, I couldn't say defective valve
Engine
lifter.
misfire detected. Okay.
Misfire counter is 34. The cylinder history, number 2, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4, number 6, number 7. So, how many cylinder working? Only cylinder number 5 and 2. It has a severe misfire detected. Total misfire. Cylinder number 4 is too much. Okay.
Okay.
Maro. After the review of the parameters data, the next step is I will conduct engine compression test. The reading of the compression test is
Ay, naku,
normal.
talaga naman.
Then I decided to remove the valve cover and explore why the engine compression obtained normally if there is an engine misfiring. Let's find out the other causes of engine misfiring. Now, I am still informed the cause, and I was found out too that the valve lifter roller and the camshaft lobe has a metal rubbing. This is the main cause of severe engine misfiring.
Put oil wrong. This engine coming.
I believe that the customer used incorrect engine oil specification. Upon inspection, this is what I got. Camshaft, cam lobe nicks, and rubbing metal to metal. In this case, the owner used a cheaper and ordinary engine oil, not the fully synthetic engine oil grade. This is the cause of engine misfiring and rub the metal to metal. So the engine should be carried out for engine overhauling. Thanks for watching, guys.